Well, it's amazing to come to one of the biggest parties in the galaxy, and a stunning setting, and a sense of excitement, and everybody wants to know how this story ends. I know because I've seen the movie. Sorry, one-upmanship. People say, am I sad? No, I'm not. The story is coming to an end, and it should come to an end. We should go, oh, that was good. We can always go back to the beginning and watch it again. I was a little sad on the last day on the set. Of course I was. I was leaving a gorgeous crew, a gorgeous cast, a gorgeous director, a gorgeous writer, and gorgeous 3PO. He's been a great companion all these years. One of the cleverest things George Lucas did was to make this kind of sandbox thing that people adopted, and now we have 3 generations who play within the sandbox, make up stories, create costumes, share their joy of the dark side or the light side, whatever. There is something and someone in those Star Wars movies for everyone.